Kenny here with Gardening Simplified and the Single Seed Challenge. And we're going to go over how it's looking and where we're at right now. So let's take a look. Okay, now the Single Seed Challenge was the Black Beauty. Now this seed was planted 12 days ago. And as you can see, nothing yet. Now tomatoes do take a little bit of time, but usually the tomato would be up and germinated by now. I did a few days ago, I kind of looked at the seed. It looked like it might have some intention of germinated, but I can't be sure. So what we're going to do today, we're going to call this Single Seed Challenge 2.0. We're going to go ahead. Now, as you can see here, I picked me out a new seed, and I've got me another container, and what I'm going to do is plant this new single seed in this container. And we're going to try again. So today is the 24th. The last one we planted was on the 12th, which is 12 days ago, and like I say, it should have been up by now. Usually 7 to 10 days, most tomatoes will be out of ground. So we're gonna start over. Single Seed Challenge 2.0, same variety, and we're going to see how this turns out. So if you want to keep up with this, just you can click the hashtag that's going to be down in the description, hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2021. And I'm encouraging the rest of you gardeners to follow along with this. Scott Head had started this challenge this year, and I'm taking part, and there's a lot of others. So if you want to see some of the other single seed challenges that's going on right now, just click that hashtag. Thanks for looking. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit the bell. Happy gardening.